Hey, greetings. This is Steve Schleter with Never Ending Referrals, and I've got an important question for you. You know, 97% of agents are underutilizing this thing called their sphere of influence, their network, their database. And why is that so? And maybe you're one and you know there's more opportunity there. And what is it that gets in the way? Well, one of the things we cover in Never Ending Referrals in session two is we deal with the challenges of our natural behavioral tendencies. See, if you're like me as a high assertive, I really don't desire to have small talk and chit chat. It's not thy natural me. I'd rather maybe chase a for sale by owner and expired. And then if you're a high social, maybe your biggest fear is that, well, people are going to feel like I'm, wanting something all the time, or I might get rejected, or they might not like me. There's every behavioral style has a limiting belief. I'm going to call it a hang up around, well, why not to do the fundamentals when it comes to success with your database. And if you'd like to break through those limits and learn how to engage your database in a way that is authentically you, you don't have to put on airs. I don't have to be everybody's best friend. I can be their trusted advisor. And if you want to learn how to work with your behavior and succeed with your database, get those soft skills, your market center is hosting Never Ending Referrals. And this 6-week program will give you the mental and the actual skill muscle to lean into this opportunity that, well, it's not an option anymore in our industry. We've got to move from transactional to relational. We've got to build that foundation of trust. So get signed up today.